Welcome back to another video. So how we can pin any app to start bar and taskbar. Okay, so how we can do that? If you open your start bar, you can see there are many apps. Just like we can say word. Okay, you can right click on word. Okay, first you select the word. Okay, then right click on it, and now you can see unpin from start bar. Okay, so this is our start bar. We can unpin our start bar or pin to taskbar. Okay, so you can select any application you want, and just like this one. Okay, you can see this, and you can right click on it, and you can see here is the option to pin. I think so. When you open any application, you can right click on the application icon bar, and you can see the pin to taskbar. Okay, so there are many things you can see. Just like I can say about settings and other. So you can pin here. Okay, unpin from the taskbar and pin other thing. Okay, like this. Okay, thanks for watching today. That's it for today. Okay, bye.